Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. Today we'll talk about obesity. Obesity is the disorder involving excessive body fat, and the most common cause of obesity is increased intake of calorie and a sedentary lifestyle. Obesity can cause a lot of inflammation in your body, and inflammation in turn retain water, thus increasing your weight again, make you feel bloated all the time. Obesity is also linked to metabolic syndrome, which causes increase in your blood pressure, increased blood glucose level, increased cholesterol level. Obesity is also linked to a lot of chronic conditions like type 2 diabetes, hypertension, heart diseases, stroke, osteoarthritis, and has also been linked to a lot of cancers. Obesity also causes a lot of hormonal imbalances, which makes your symptoms worse, like makes you feel tired, make your motivation is low, you don't have enough strength to exercise, and just your overall well-being. Obesity is linked to multiple different things, so it is very important to treat obesity or improve your weight, not just to look good but also to improve your overall health. Traditionally, obesity is measured by BMI. Higher BMI is what gives you the diagnosis of obesity, usually over 30. But BMI is strictly based on height and weight. When you're trying to lose weight, the goal should not just be to lose weight but to lose fat and increase lean muscle mass. That is why here at MyFitMed we focus on percentage body fat, where we help you lower your body fat percentage, at the same time improve your lean muscle mass. Because when you have overall good muscle mass, or if you're improving your muscle mass, your basal metabolic rate goes up, your overall metabolism improves, and also your overall strength and energy improves. Plus, when you want to drop your pant size or your t-shirt size, you have to consider percentage body fat compared to BMI, because lowering your BMI may not necessarily improve your size or may not necessarily drop your size, but lowering your percentage body fat will improve your pant size and your t-shirt size. If you are obese, or if you are in the obesity level, if you are storing a lot of fat, the simple thing you should start out is start eating less calories than what you're burning. Don't starve yourself, but at least be calorie deficit. Have an active lifestyle and start exercising at least 3 to 4 times a week. Other most important thing is your sleep. There is no replacement for sleep. When you're working out, you have to recover, and you recover when you sleep. So make sure you get good amount of sleep and a quality sleep. So these are the simple things you should do to start out to improve your percentage body fat. If you're still not able to lose fat, make sure you get your hormones checked, get your labs tested. Something as simple as blood sugar level, cholesterol, testosterone, thyroid, vitamin D. Get all your levels checked and see if there is something that is preventing you from losing weight or gaining muscle. If you are obese, or if you are overweight and suffering from symptoms like fatigue, weakness, poor quality sleep, make sure you improve your overall lifestyle and get your labs checked. If you have any question, give us a call. Comment below if you have any question about obesity.